My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again in this video I'm telling you about the Ecomi. What's the kind of price of the Ecomi, and especially in this video I'm talking about the very latest update, the very latest news about Ecomi. So keep watch this video till the end, friends. And if you are new on my channel, so please click the subscribe button for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. Anyways, if you look, the changes occur in the Omi coins. Absolutely, the prices occur in Omi as going negative, friends. I know, but that's not mean then you decide to sell Omi coin and you lose hope, friends. As you can see here, the currently price of the Omi coin is 0.003497 USD dollar, friends. The price of the Omi coin is going down day by day, minute by minute, hour by hour, friends. As we can see here, if you look, the price changes occur in the Omi coin. So as you can see here, the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, the whole changes occur in the Omi coin as negative ones. So let's see, my friends, the price chart of the Omi coin, what's going in this time in the Omi. Let's see, and let's talk about the next move of Omi coin, friends. First of all, I really congratulate all of you that the Omi coin start jumping. Absolutely, see the last 4 hour price change occur in the Omi coin. So absolutely a positive 1.11% positive change occur. That's mean that the Omi start jumping at this time, friends, and the highest price, the price is again going upward, friends. So now at this time they start jumping, and I hope that they continue this jump for a long time. Let's see, my friends, the last 1 day price chart, and let's see the 24-hour price is occur in the Omi coin, friends. Absolutely, my friends, as I told you that the previous time is a negative time, but as I show you that the last 4 hour prices occur in the Omi coin is going upward. So now this time they gradually start moving upward with the passage of time. The price change become positive, friends. Don't worry about this fast, but you have to hold Omi coin for throughout this whole month, because the big pump are coming soon in a few days, friends. So keep a hold Omi coin, friends. And if you look the last 24-hour price change occur in the Omi, so negative 4.63% price changes occur in the Omi. And if you look the highest price of the Omi, so 0.003743 USD dollar is the highest price of the Omi, friends. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about Omi? Please share in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe to this tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Click the subscribe button.